Hi, I'm Adam Cooper and I'm here to talk to you today about the MPA in Climate, Innovation and Sustainability Policy at UCL's Department of Science, Technology, Engineering and Public Policy. The MPA is practice focused. It's an MPA, not an MSc. An MPA stands for Master of Public Administration, and that means that we're really looking at how policy operates in the real world rather than being an academic oriented master's programme. It's going to allow you to understand theory on the one hand in sustainability and innovation, but also how to work with engineers and policy practitioners. The goal is to address urgent climate and sustainability risks head on, linking engineering, social sciences and policy in a complete package. We cover ideas deep within the academic space in sustainability science and transformative innovation to guide just transitions across the globe. And we also want to explore the impact of a novel engineering policy perspective that integrates technical, policy and social perspectives for real action. You will interact with our practice community and research programs, and you'll be able to build in expertise from our sister MPA routes, digital, development, urban and health technology. Within the programme, we cover a range of topics and approaches. Ideas like deep transitions, transformative innovation, policy experimentation and green infrastructure. A key idea is around engineering policy for decarbonising homes and mobility and carbon removal. We want to try and integrate justice, inclusion and empowerment in engineering climate responses. There's also a range of wider topics that you'll take on policy making, evidence for decision making and analytic methods for policy. You'll also have a range of options, including clean energy for development and science diplomacy and so on. This MPA is for a range of different kinds of people. Those who might be transitioning into climate and sustainability policy. You might be a climate policy actor wanting to extend your network and approaches to innovation. Or you could be from other industries wanting to move across into climate innovation and sustainability. Or you could be an academic looking to understand policy practice in climate and sustainability. The Department of Science, Technology, Engineering and Public Policy is one of the few policy-focused departments in an engineering faculty in the world. It's truly practice-oriented and interdisciplinary. We've got high-profile climate policy scholars. We have a wide network of practitioners, and many of them are honorary staff that come and support our teaching directly. And we collaborate with academic institutions around the globe. The department is based in central London, which means we have access to government departments, major engineering consultancies, major institutions like the Royal Society, which provide the kinds of policy spaces and innovation spaces that allow you to interact with real policy practitioners throughout your journey on the MPA. The department has a range of research strengths across community energy transitions, climate compatible growth programs, exploring barriers to participation in low carbon industries. We're connected to a deep transitions lab and academic network around the globe. And there are experts who explore how models and statistical modelling provide insights for decision making. And we have expertise in engineering policy for climate action. The department works, as I've already mentioned, with a range of practitioners, and you'll get the chance to interact with those from government, from the third sector and from industry across different seminars and visits and so on. Your final project on your CISP journey will be with a partner like the Red Cross Climate Centre or the Royal Academy of Engineering or maybe a UN agency. And since half of our staff sit across academic and policy, the access to policy communities and your understanding of how they operate is hard to match. You can also connect with our global MPA alumni network, policy entrepreneurs and activists who are working in NGOs, businesses and government around the world, from Mexico to Japan and across Europe and other parts of the world. The department has a wider set of degree options. There's a range of MPA programs alongside the CISP program, including options on development, digital, health and urban. But we also offer bachelor's degree in science and engineering for social change an MSc that's distance learning on science, technology, engineering and public policy, and doctoral programmes including a DPA that sits as an advanced degree above our MPA. This programme is structured around a number of compulsory and optional modules. This means you can choose to personalise your learning based on individual interest and desired specialism. To view extensive module information for this programme, please visit the prospectus page. If you're thinking of applying, we're especially interested in individuals who have 3 or so years of experience in policy, business or related practice. You're strongly motivated to change and improve the world in some way. And potentially you've got a mixed academic and practical experience. We want to see that you've understood how demanding the programme is and how your goals align with the programme aims. For further information on entry requirements, fees and application closing dates, you'll need to visit the programme's prospectus page. This is also where you'll find a link to make your application. Being part of the UCL community is inspiring and life-changing in many ways, not just academically. We're located in the heart of London, which was recently ranked the best student city in the world by the QS Best Student Cities Ranking 2025 for the 6th consecutive year. This means that access to UCL's state-of-the-art campus facilities is complemented by proximity to famous museums and galleries, esteemed libraries and professional associations, and first-rate entertainment and nightlife. This map shows where our 2 main campuses are based, Bloomsbury on the left and UCL East on the right. The pink dots are UCL accommodation and the blue are UCL campus buildings and facilities. Our accommodation services team is also able to offer support with students on alternative accommodation, such as renting privately or via University of London housing services. UCL Students' Union has over 300 clubs and societies, so there's always the opportunity to pick up a new hobby or meet new people. Engineering-specific societies include the Fleming Society, UCL Racing, the AI Society, the Healthcare Innovation Society, and there are also many more. The Union also provides sports, fitness and entertainment facilities. You can also get involved in representing Team UCL socially and competitively. The Union also provides advice and support in case you find yourself struggling. There is a team of well-being, disability and mental health experts at hand and the students' support and well-being team. Equality, diversity and inclusion are fundamental to the ethos of UCL. We were the first university in England to admit women students on equal terms to men in 1878. We encourage open-mindedness. You will learn how to think, not what to think with us. We're proud that UCL is London's global university with students from 150 countries and 400,000 alumni worldwide. I hope that's helped you make your choice, and I really look forward to seeing you on our MPA programme in the future. Thanks.